Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef spaghetti. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 1 large onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. For the sauce, grab a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and some Italian seasoning. Don't forget your favorite spaghetti pasta. About 12 ounces should be perfect for this recipe. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's no longer pink, drain any excess fat. Then add your diced onion and minced garlic, cooking until they're soft and fragrant. Stir in the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half teaspoon of basil. Bring it to a gentle simmer. While your sauce is simmering, it's time to prepare the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook your 12 ounces of spaghetti according to the package instructions until al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid can help bind the sauce to the pasta beautifully. Drain the spaghetti and then add it directly to your simmering beef sauce. Gently toss the spaghetti with the beef sauce until every strand is coated. If the sauce seems a little thick, you can add a splash of that reserved pasta water to reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley. It's a comforting meal perfect for any night. For an easier cleanup after dinner, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade beef spaghetti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.